So here's my desert rose seedlings. We replanted them a couple days ago. And they're looking good. They look like they make the transition well. Looking nice and healthy. This is an experiment on a new soil, and you have to test stuff out. You don't know what's going to work and what's not going to work. And on these, you see, they're looking very healthy. They're looking happy. It's sprinkling out right now, but there's plenty of drainage for them. The soil is super wet, but I'm expecting them to dry out extremely, extremely well. They're getting lots of rain up here. And I'll show you the rest of my desert seedlings in another video, but these guys, here's the one that we replanted in the 6-inch pot not long ago. I only lifted it, as you can see here, less than an inch. You don't have to raise it a lot every time, because I haven't even cut it yet. And now that it's grown so much, I'm going to cut it probably right about here to leave some of these branches so it could be nice and beautiful and won't get chopped up. Now this one, some reason, it's bent over. Is how it grew, and I think I'm going to continue to help it grow that way. I'm going to trim that one as well, but we're going to make it look almost like a bonsai being bent over. And that's the thing with desert roses. You can do whatever you want. There's not one prescription on what you have to do with them. You can grow them however you like. Now I'm going to be selling all of these at some point, and those will be available on the website at a later date. But some of these guys are really ready to do some exciting things. I'm so excited of what I'm going to show. They're looking so healthy. They're looking very happy. Got lots of branching happening even though they haven't been trimmed. Look at the caudex on this one. Look how beautiful that's looking. And it's still just in a 4-inch pot. It really needs to be repotted, but it's looking just happy and beautiful. That's a happy, happy, happy looking plant. So that's the update on the seedlings right now. And once again, that's what you want to see right there. This one, you can see it has not even shed the shell of the seedling. The outer shell is wrapped around the trunk, and that's kind of funny. They'll do that sometimes. Sometimes the top will be stuck, and you can help them out, but they'll grow out of it. They've nature has empowered them to do that, just like God has empowered you to do amazing things that you never thought that you could do. The world is going to tell you that you're going to fail, that you have to be scared, but guess what? You don't. You don't, because you have the power to change and to make change. And if that's a flower right there, I don't know. I think it's probably just another leaf coming in, but that would be pretty exciting. But there we go. There we go. All right, that's our update.